Hitachi Energy Welding diode, the current engine for heavy-duty industries. Extreme current performance, continuous current flow of 7,110 amps to 13,526 amps, withstands surge impact of 55 kA, voltage-proof purchase of 400 volt. Ultra-low loss architecture, 0.026 million, dielectric resistance, 0.74 volt threshold voltage, reverse recovery loss reduced by 30%, industrial-grade reliability, operates across the full temperature range from -40 to 170 degrees Celsius, double-sided cooling black technology, 22 kΩ mechanical locking. Dominate high-frequency scenarios, 2000 Hz high-frequency welding, 10 milliseconds anti-surge certification, 4 mm safe creepage design, precise energy efficiency control, dual-waveform optimization at 50 Hz, 100 Hz, adaptive duty cycle uplift, full scenario coverage, heavy-duty welding robot, ultra-high frequency conversion power supply, metallurgical electroplating systems. Get the specification sheet and batch technical support via private message.
EU Singapore Pte Limited, an authorized distributor of Hitachi Energy Semiconductor.